Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do some neurographic artwork, and this is a collaboration between me and Melody's Coloring Cafe. Her link is up in the card. We had a lot of fun with this because it's something different, and it's just used to relax. You don't have to worry about your color blending, but you can if you want. But the idea behind this is just to relieve your stress. There are a couple of rules behind this artwork. Nobody's going to come to your house and put you in art jail if you break those rules. So it starts out with a blank piece of paper and a Sharpie marker. And you have 2 minutes to do this. Start with your marker at the edge of the page. And you let your mind go free. Going wherever you want to go, around. And you have 2 minutes to do that. Now you can start and stop, but don't stop in the middle. So here I started here and I ended here. And I may want to start another one over here. And end over here, start over here. The only thing you're asked is not to stop in the middle of the page or start in the middle of the page. Rule number 2, round your edges. See all of these edges? Well, you're going to go back with a marker and you're going to just round them out. Very simple. And have fun with it. Relax, get into your own headspace, and just let the circular shapes take over. Right about now is when I started feeling a lot of stress relief. That's what I love about this artwork. When you're done filling in all your little edges, then the fun starts. You get to color it in. Now, it doesn't matter how good you are at coloring, how good you are at blending, if you want to make this a great art piece, or you're just doing it to relax. Just color for fun. And you can do blending, you can do solid, you don't even have to use pencils. I've got some examples here that I'm working on that I used mixed media. So let me show you the examples because I think you're going to get a kick out of why I stopped one of them. This is the one that I'm working on now. And I'm using all the golds and foils that I was sent from Grabby. This is the chrome marker in the bronze. Looks a little copperish. There it is in gold. I love this. They had sent me, and I have to say, they sent me a second metallic set. My biggest complaint about that set is that I couldn't get a really large amount of paint. I had to add a lot of water. It took a long time. For whatever reason, that second set did not react in the same way. And it was much softer and it was much easier. So I may have gotten a defective set and I didn't know it the first time. The end result was the same, but it was just a little bit more difficult. This second set, which was the brand new set that they surprised me with, really behaved much differently. And I want to show you what I was able to do on this one. This is the blue, but I was able to add in other colors in it. Now you can see how it's turning violet up here. And as you turn the page, light blue happens. I did this with multiple colors. And this was something I couldn't do the first time around. I didn't even know I could do it with that paint set, but apparently you can. So I'm going to have a lot more fun with this than I thought I was. And then I did a lot of these, the bottoms with Prismacolor markers, and I'm in the process now of blending them. But I use this, and I go back to this when I'm really about to go to bed. I'm tired, but I don't feel like doing anything that I need to film. This is just for me. And I'm enjoying this page. You don't have to rush it. You don't have to get it done in a day. I've been working on this one for probably about a week. I did the same thing. I've got the blues in here. Well, the next one I was working on before I started this one. And I was working with some texture, and I thought, wouldn't it be fun if I did it in texture and get some practice in with it? And it was good until I saw what I saw, and then I had to stop. But I think it's okay to show you. We're all over 18. Some of us more over 18. Okay, so here we have the one that I'm working on, another one I'm working on. And you can see I did this in tree bark. I did the sky with the clouds. Now I'm doing some of the greens. I have little ones filled in just to hold the places. I'm going to add some foil paints to this also, so the contrast between the pencil sky and the foil sky, I think will look really nice. Then I started working on a bottom area, and I saw what I saw, and I can't unsee it. Yes. And now my eye goes straight there. That was not done on purpose. And for all of you ladies that are over the age of 18 and you know what that is, or what it appears to look like, well, yeah. It did. So, this is supposed to be little pebbles that I'm going to color in, or was going to color in if I finish it. And I was going to do the texture of pebbles on it. So it has a lot more work to do on it, but I don't know if I'm ever going to finish this one. I may just put it in the pile of unfinished ones. This artwork, if you Google search this artwork, a lot of people do it in so many different ways. It's so much fun. When they say it's very stress relieving, it really is. And I'm always looking for things just not to turn into art. Like, it's sort of like pour painting. To some people, pour painting is really super relaxing. Me, not so much. For me, it turned into a science experiment that went wrong. So, and then there's so many of these applied arts that are just super wonderful to do. And I do recommend you trying this. If it's not a masterpiece, it doesn't need to be, but it's a lot of fun. Okay, so me and my phallic penis picture are going to say good day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.